Good morning, traders. So on EURUSD, we could see yesterday I said I was expecting this supply to get liquidated, so I wasn't going to short from there, and we could see the bullish momentum just keeps building. So we had the minor break, we had compression, which fueled that breakout further to the upside. So at the moment, I basically just want to wait for price to come into a better demand. I think this one might be too early since we have this demand open over here and of course one lower, but also underneath these lows you're creating liquidity as well. So I think price has a chance to just have a bit of a deeper pullback before having that next bullish continuation, which is where we want to enter. So what I'll wait for is, price to just come down, form a fresh demand, and then I just want to see that minor break again, and I'll enter after that 4-hour minor break, pull back into fresh demand. So I'll be waiting for entries from fresh demand since we don't know really which of these zones it might react from. So I think this will be the strongest confirmation. Over on GU. Overall, I would have liked to see price come down and take out that daily demand over there, but it's fine. We just have to follow the trend, and that could come back later, right? So we could finish this 4-hour retracement, come up here, and then have that next push down. So for the moment, we could see GU is definitely, having the retracement. We got the minor break. We have this first demand holding, even though it just got wicked below, but it's holding. And then we have this next demand, which is currently holding. So I'd be looking for longs from here, just to follow the demand chain and target at least 50% of the range. But you have two very nice supply zones up here, so I would look to take the short back from at least the supply zone, and then potentially still having my overall target over here. So let's head down to lower time frame. There was no entry from the first demand zone. You could have potentially, you had the liquidation of demand, you could have entered from the minor break over here. I just didn't feel as confident since it already went outside that 4-hour demand, which is fine. It did play out, but for the time being on the 15, we're just waiting for a clear minor break. It hasn't closed above yet, it's just wicking above, and then we don't have demand in this move, but it's fine. Probably going to see a deeper push down and then continuation like that. So that's what I'd look for GU. Some longs today, potentially just into one of these higher supply zones, and for EU, just wait for price to create a clearer entry, because there's nothing at the moment. It could just keep moving up from here, could have like a small pullback into here and just continue into this supply, or it could come down lower as well. So I just want to wait for something clearer. But yeah, that's what I'll be looking at today. Thanks, guys.